So today I'm going to be making slime with the 3-in-1 soap. I have to bend down because I don't have a chair in my room. Hold on, where's my pencil? Here it is. Your ingredients you will need was a 3-in-1 soap, a pencil or something to mix with, and baking soda. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little bit of baking soda, like that, a little bit, if you all can see it. I'm sorry, you all can't see it, it'll be okay. I'm sorry. But this is going to make jiggly slime. It doesn't make regular slime. It should work, but I tried it this morning with this same. I did it this morning with this same 3-in-1 soap. With the same one that I'm using right now in the same container. I didn't get no more. But if it doesn't work, it's because I need to get a different 3-in-1 soap in here. But yeah. So don't add a lot of baking soda. Add a little bit because it's a different type of way this baking soda reacts to this stuff. If it starts to form a stupid way, that means that it's wrong. Like mine right now, this is not going to work. It worked earlier, but it's not going to work now. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to dump it out. And I'm going to get some more 3-in-1. So, give me a little bit. So I'm back, and now I'm going to add some baking soda, just a little bit. I'm going to get my utensil, and I'm going to mix. And you don't have to add a lot of baking soda. You can just keep on mixing. See, I added just a little bit, just a tiny pinch, and I'm keeping on mixing. I didn't add any more baking soda yet. But I'm going to add a little bit more. A little bit more. So in all, I think you should really just need 3 pinches. And it made slime. It's jiggly slime, but it made it. I mean, so what I'm going to do is, hold on, y'all. Because I have to, it's still a little watery. So I'm going to have to add a little bit more baking soda. So now there's 5 pinches. That's 5 pinches in all there. Oh, I think I added too much. Oh, no, I didn't. So it's normal jiggly slime. So I'm going to put the jiggly slime down, and I'm going to pick the camera up and show you all the slime. Here it is. Hold on, my hand is in the way. There it is. You see it's jiggly. And if you can see this, you can see that I can play with it. It's probably going to be hard for me to pick up, but here it is. The jiggly slime. I can play with it. See? So, yeah. Bye, guys.